ओए स्टेट वेरिएबल वाला क्वेश्चन आ रहा है क्या? अरे यार, ओ ये तो यार मैं
Okay, people, it's time. Come on in. It's time.
अरे यार
Hey, are you into this? My professor.
Hey, can I have a look at the answer sheet, please? What? I knew it. What's the? I'll take the answer sheet. Whatever you want to say, say the answer.
As per the rules of our college, no one will be penalized for any offence unless it is proven beyond any doubt. As per tradition, we should call the accused and the accuser for testimony, and then also call two neutral witnesses. Okay, that's fine. Good evening, sir. Yeah, good evening. Sit down. What is your name? I'm Rahul, sir. What is your problem, Rahul? Tell me, why did you copy during the exam? But I did not copy. Come on, the professor has accused you. Tell me honestly, what happened? Sir, the paper was going pretty well for me. I knew most of the answers as I had prepared well for it. The paper was also easy, so I was able to attempt most of them without much difficulty. Then I felt I needed to go to the bathroom, so I asked the teacher for his permission. Then, with the teacher's permission, I went to the toilet and came back as quickly as possible. How can we believe what you just said? I don't know how I can convince you, sir, but that's what actually happened. Fine, you wait outside. We will give a decision on you soon. If we find out that you lied to us, you will be in deep trouble. Okay, sir, but please consider my plea. Good evening, Professor. Good evening. So, Professor Roy, what happened that day? Actually, I was going on my usual rounds and I got a call from my friend.
Hi.
I was talking to my friend about normal stuff and just moving around the corridor.
Yeah, tell me.
And then I saw a boy going towards the bathroom. I noticed the boy faintly and continued talking to my friend. I would have talked to my friend for about another 10 minutes. And then I saw the boy coming out of the bathroom. I wondered what the boy had been doing inside the bathroom for 10 minutes. So I felt something was fishy. I had a look inside the classroom. Then I thought I should go into the bathroom and have it checked. I went inside and checked the bathroom thoroughly. Then I had a look at the wash basin. There was a chit near the wash basin. I took it out. It was a paper related to the subject. I realized that the boy was copying from the paper. So I went inside the classroom and caught the boy.
Thank you for your time, Professor. We'll come to a decision after hearing the testimonies of the other witnesses.
Okay, thank you.
So, you were the invigilator during the exam, right? Yes, I was. Did you ask for permission before going to the toilet? Yes, I did. Tell me exactly what happened that day.
Yes.
I was just taking a stroll towards the door.
Hey, mind your own business.
And I saw the boy coming out from the last bathroom. So you say that one bathroom was locked and he came out from the other? Yes, that's true. Are you sure? Yes, I am. Okay, sir, thanks. So, what is your name?
आई नो टॉक इंग्लिश, आप हिंदी में बात कीजिए।
चलिए आप अपना नाम बताइए।
रामलाल साहिब।
ये बताइए कि आप रोज काम करने कितने बजे आते हैं?
करीब 5 बजे के आसपास आता हूँ साहिब।
तो उस दिन थे क्या वहाँ पे?
हाँ साहिब।
चलिए, अब आप अपनी कहानी बताइए।
क्या बताऊँ साहिब, मैं उस दिन आया था।
पेपर का दिन था। मैं शाम को वहाँ आया और बाथरूम की ओर चल पड़ा। स्टूडेंट्स क्लासरूम के बाहर खड़े होकर पढ़ रहे थे। शायद 5 नहीं बजा होगा। फिर मैं बाथरूम की ओर चला और सर ने स्टूडेंट्स को अंदर बुला लिया क्लास। बाथरूम में ताला लगाया हुआ था। मैं जाके ताला खोला और अंदर साफ करने लग गया। एग्जाम शुरू होते ही मैं बाथरूम साफ करने लग गया। थोड़ी देर के बाद एक बंदा अंदर आया बाथरूम के अंदर। वो स्टूडेंट था। अंदर आके उसने जल्दी ही निकल गया। फिर उसके बाद कुछ काम था, मैं बाहर निकला तो मेरे सामने प्रोफेसर सर आ रहे थे। वे सीधा बाथरूम के अंदर गए थे। और जब मैं लौटा तो प्रोफेसर सर के हाथ में एक पेपर था और बहुत परेशान लग रहे थे। वो सीधा क्लासरूम के अंदर गए थे।
ठीक है, आप जा सकते हो।
So, what do we do now?
Four perspectives, different conclusions. I just don't understand what to do.
There is no solid proof.
Taking our college policy into consideration, we have no other choice but to let him go.
Okay, fine.
और राम बता, वो लड़का का क्या हुआ?
लड़का तो बच गया।
कैसे?
कैसे? चारों लोग ने अपना अपना कहानी बता दिया
ओके।
और कहानी इतना अलग थे कि कमेटी वाले कुछ फैसला करने पाए। पता है, झूठ बोलने से भी कभी कभी फायदा होता है।
क्या बोल रहे तू?
वो मैंने जो
पेपर के दिन मैं बाथरूम साफ कर रहा था। वो लड़का अंदर आया। बाथरूम में ब्लीचिंग पाउडर लगाया हुआ था, इसीलिए थोड़ा फिसल रहा था। वो लड़का तुरंत निकल गया। निकलते वक्त जरा सा फिसल भी गया, इसीलिए मुझे लगा और कोई फिसल ना जाए और मैं बाहर जा रहा था, इसीलिए दरवाजे पे ताला लगा दिया। बाथरूम के दरवाजे पे ताला लगाते ही मैं आगे चल पड़ा। तब प्रोफेसर सर मेरे सामने से निकले। कुछ आवाज आया तो मैं जब मुड़ के देखा तो प्रोफेसर सर अपने जेब से एक पेपर निकाले। वो वही पेपर था। तब प्रोफेसर सर वही पेपर लेके अंदर चले गए।
फिर सच क्यों नहीं बताया तूने? अरे बाल बच्चे वाला भी यार, मैं प्रोफेसर के साथ पंगा लेना नहीं चाहता था मैं, और वो बंदे को भी बचाना है, तो इसीलिए मैंने कहानी ऐसे बताया ताकि वो बंदा भी बच जाए और प्रोफेसर के ऊपर भी कोई शक ना पड़े।
श्यामलाल, इधर आओ।
हाँ जी सर।
वो राहुल पता है ना, जो कॉपिंग के लिए पकड़ा गया था।
हाँ जी।
उसको बुलाना सर।
ठीक है सर, अभी बुला। Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, come in. So Rahul, how are you? Down.
Thank you, sir.
So you got away from them, huh? You got away from the academic committee.
They didn't find me guilty, so they let me.
So you proved your intelligence once again. I still remember that day. In front of the whole class, you insulted me. That was the most embarrassing moment of my life. I just can't forget about it, and I will never forgive you for that. You might have got away from the academic committee, but you have forgotten that the subject is being handled by me.
Sir?
Let's see how you clear my subject.
Please don't do this, sir.
Okay, I'll give you one chance. 24 hours. I want you to tell me one statement. I want you to tell me one single statement. If that statement is true, you'll be detained in my subject for lack of attendance. And if that statement is false, you'll be failed in my subject. Now let's see how you prove your intelligence to me.
But, sir, but.
You can go now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, come in. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
How are you?
Not fine, sir. I'm going to fail in your subject.
Tell me something new, Rahul.
That's my statement, sir.
What do you mean?
You told me to tell you a statement yesterday, and this is it.
So I told you to tell me a statement. And if it's true,
I'll be detained in your subject, but that can't happen as they contradict each other.
and if it's false,
If it's false, I'll fail in your subject, but that'll make it true, so that can't happen either.